Hey everybody, welcome to Your Beautiful Table, a YouTube channel all about helping you make your tabletops beautiful. Today we're going to talk about the Bath & Body Works Black Cherry Merlot candle, so stay tuned. Thanks everybody for coming on back. If you're new to the channel, Your Beautiful Table is a website at yourbeautifultable.com and a YouTube channel all about helping you make your tabletops beautiful. We talk about home fragrance, we talk about tabletop decor, china, glassware, silverware, those kinds of things. And if that is of interest to you, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. And consider subscribing because we're almost to 300 subscribers. And once we hit that milestone, I will draw a winner for our giveaway. When we hit different milestones, I do a giveaway. In order for me to send you the giveaway stuff, to pick you as a winner, you got to sign up for the newsletter. That's how I get your email address. So down below in the description, there is the newsletter sign up. Consider signing up. We'd love for you to join us. I don't spam you, I promise. All right, so fall fragrances. So I've had a mini, M-I-N-I, fall haul, but I had Bath & Body Works Black Cherry Merlot candle in my candle closet for a while, and I wanted to burn it. It's sort of, I think, a nice fall scent, and so I have and want to bring you the review. Okay, so let me bring it up. I think this packaging is beautiful. All right, so lovely wrapper, and you can see there Black Cherry Merlot. I love that blue, love the sort of blueberries around, love this blue, love the grape leaves. This is sort of a white creamy pumpkin there, some wheat. Love it. I think that it's great. It was so well done. And I can't see, I think it's just, oh, you know what? There's the wrap. There's a little bit of shiny right there, but wow, they've engineered it so well. It's, I had to feel it. And then it's a sticker wrap. So it's just a wrap around. This came with the White Barn label of the chrome topped lid. Of course, like those of you who are fans and friends, I know that I don't love a chrome top because it shows dust and fingerprints, but it is what it is. All you gotta do is like, you know, maybe a little bit more because I still see my fingerprints on there. Okay, so classic 14.5 ounces 3-wick candle from Bath & Body Works, silicone gasket lid. You can see some of the opportunities down there with those black swirls in the wax, but look, not a lot of residue on the sides of the jar. So it smells yummy on cold. It's got a nice 1-foot scent bubble here, and when I put my nose down in it, it smells really great. I like the way this smells on cold. Let's talk about the scent notes. All right, Black Cherry Merlot, dark cherry, black raspberry, sumptuous Merlot with essential oil. So I get a lot of cherry when this burns. And it's more nuanced on cold. I get more of the raspberry, the sweetness there. It doesn't go sweet sugar. It just stays sweet and fruity, but definitely berry. It's not, the cherry isn't as heavy, and it's got this smokiness to this particular candle that I think is complex and lovely on cold. Now, when I burn it, what I get is a lot of what I would call burnt cherry. So it's not as like burnt, but it's like toasted. There's a smoky cherry flavor scent that comes through. Y'all, I've tried to burn in the past another cherry fragrance, and I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, and I had the same experience. Cherry candles make me think of cough syrup. And you may love cherry, and I bless you. And this is not a knock on cherry because I actually think this candle performed well. And 2 other people who visited, my mother-in-law and my partner, both said, wow, that smells really great. So if you like cherry, this is a great cherry candle. For me, it like Luden's cough drops or cough syrup is what this brings to mind for me. And it just doesn't get me the sweet, relaxed notes that I want to enjoy from a candle. So it is totally my preference. It is not a knock on the scent, but it is a cherry scented candle. The thing that I liked about this, it was a strong throw candle, and it was the scent was really deep and enveloping, but it wasn't overwhelming. It did smell like cherry throughout the home, but it wasn't like knock you out, run you out. And so I could I'll share with you, we sort of have an open concept, and it's probably, you know, more than 1,000 square feet. Burn this candle in the living room, could smell it all the way in the kitchen. So there was a lot of throw with this particular candle. You could see, you know, with the wicks, There was a little bit of murky wax at the end, but there wasn't a lot of soot on this. Now it smoked a little bit, and then I trimmed the wicks one time, and then the wicks sort of controlled it for themselves. But it smoked a little bit, but it wasn't a ton, and it didn't cause a lot of soot on the side of the jar. It burned for the 35 or more hours that the Bath and Body Works claims. So overall, fantastic presentation, a nice candle scent blend, especially on cold. If you like a cherry candle, you'll probably like the black cherry Merlot. It's great for fall because it's sort of like deeper and enveloping, and it's not as sweet or fruity like a summer or spring candle. And so this is one that you should consider if you'd like a cherry for fall. It's probably not one that I would buy again just because I don't love the cherry fragrances, but if you do, this one could be one for you. It performed really well. The price point was right. You know, you can get Bath and Body Works. Sometimes it feels like they're giving them away when it's on sale, but overall I really enjoyed this candle, and it performed really well. So hey friends, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. We'll keep bringing you videos. I wish I could get on like a recording schedule. I do this in between my day job, and it's just a fun hobby. So, you know, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and we'll see you next time.